Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be going down here and I'm going to show you all the auger setup that we have. So our corn's kind of high moisture still. So we have 3 or 4 drying bins. So this auger that's down here is set up to go into our bin. I'm pretty sure it's bin 11. And so the bin puts propane. The propane catches on fire and it heats up the grain, and then the fan blows the hot air. So basically the heat gets air blown on it, and the heat heats the air up so much that it actually takes the moisture out of the corn. So let's keep going down here. And we have our John Deere, our bigger loader tractor, not our cab loader tractor, but it's still our bigger loader tractor. And so we use handyman jacks sometimes, which are over here. And so what these do is you can jack up the wheels on the auger so that it sets at the right height at the top of the bin up there. So we're gonna head over here now. And right here is where the semi will back up right down here. He'll pull up in there and then back down around here. And then the back of the semi has a gate on it. And whenever the trailer tips up, the grain starts flowing to the back. He turns the gate, he opens up the gate, and the grain starts flowing in here. So the combine, the tractor has the PTO shaft on, which makes the auger go. So the grain goes in here, comes up this auger, drops down into the main auger, and brings it to the top of the bin. Alright guys, I'll see you in the field. How's everybody doing? We made it out here to the cornfield. This part of the cornfield over here is done. We're gonna be way over there on the horizon. I gotta wait for my mom to get back. She's gonna be in the grain cart, and then she's gonna bring me down there to where my dad is. He's in the semi. I'll get some footage of unloading the grain cart into the semi, and my dad is actually in the combine, not in the semi. He's over there shelling the corn. We got a small 6-row corn head. Are sensors for the head height on the corn head. So however high this is, that tells the head if it needs to go up or down. It tells the combine to tell the head to go up or down. Next thing is the gathering change right here. So whenever my dad drives forward, the corn stalks go down these rows, and then the snapping rollers, which are down here, suck the corn down super fast. They hit the corn cobs, hit the deck plate, get snapped off, and snapping rollers. They get snapped off, and then the gathering chains take the corn cobs up to the auger and then into the feeder house. So earlier I was talking about the rollers. Those are right there, they're stalk stompers. So today we're out here in the field again, and down here we have stalk stompers on our head. So basically this is all of the stalk that is left. So all this stuff right here, this stuff is gonna decompose a lot better because it's not attached. Another thing that happens is whenever now we can run through the field a little bit better, like if we're planting soybeans next year in this field, which we will do because we alternate from corn to soybeans as much as we possibly can. So this isn't going to be as bad on a tire as, let's say, if you had one that was sticking out of the ground this far. That's going to really do some damage to a tire, because you're having to run over that so much more and it's sticking so much higher out of the ground. So we have rollers that are on the bottom of the combine head, and they're on springs, so it pushes down into the ground, which will roll these down flat. So this one was pushed this way, so that way I know which way my dad was combining here. He was definitely going that way because the roller pushed it over in that direction. So as you can see here, the combine did a really good job. It didn't leave hardly any corn. Here's one piece, but it really didn't leave that much corn. Here she comes.